Alright guys, this is where I've been the last few weeks. Working on walls in the house and getting stuff ready for the garage. So then we can work in the garage again and build cool stuff. So let me give you a little quick tour of why I haven't posted much and where I've been and what I've been doing. This has been a lot of work so far. Alright guys, here's this section of house. So this is my mother-in-law's house right here. She'll be living here. She's a subscriber. She will comment. There's the poor garage getting beaten up by snow. All the forms go on tomorrow. Concrete goes down. And we go from there. And then there's the front of my house. Right here. And here's our wall that separates us. And here's the house. So a lot of work has been going on with the floor and the framing and concrete work and sheeting and all the fun stuff. So this is where I've been. Alright guys, so that's where I've been. And it got really cold and really windy really fast. It sucks. But yeah, we're building the house. So there's definitely progress being had. The Honda YouTube channel challenge. The Honda YouTube challenge is coming up quick. So that's why I'm building the temporary garage. And the weather's been suckier this winter than last time. And we're going to work on getting it together. So I got stuff coming together. Shout out to Neo Garage for sponsoring the YouTube challenge. And I got turbo on the way. It's ordered. Ooh, oh, I got free gauges. A whole bunch of free AEM fuel gauge, the air fuel ratio, boost gauge, voltage, oil pressure, coolant temp, stuff like that for the build. So that's gonna be awesome. So I guess we got a lot of stuff for it. Now I just need to do it. I gotta get the engine apart and built. If I can find a garage, one of my buddies, see if I get one of my buddies' garages just to let me build the motor inside. That would be awesome. If not, hopefully this garage will suffice and I can put a little propane heater in one side and just heat it up and be able to work on the challenge car. Because that's definitely coming up and I gotta get it together and I gotta work on it and then I gotta get ready to drive it. Unfortunately, the dude won't give me the title because I was just wanting to drive the car there. So now I'm going to tow it and then I might sell it. So if you want a turbo all-wheel drive CRV, you might be able to buy one in Mississippi without a title. I don't know. You just can't scrap it. Just rip it and turn it into a race car. Alright guys, it's a new year. I'll show you what I'm doing for you guys. This box would not fit in the car, so I unpacked it in the car. So I have to get all Harbor Freight getting us a tent so we can work outside in the garage. Let's get home, put the tent together, and hopefully get working on cars again. Farewell box. I did. Alright guys, we got it unpacked. Get all the Harbor Freight. We're going to go back to building cars. And we'll see how that goes. Got the car loaded. Let's go home. You see there's snow behind me? Freaking got the garage the night before. The night I got home and I was going to go put it up. It snowed. And it was supposed to snow 1 or 2 inches. I was like, okay, I'll do it another day. It's snowed 6 to 8 inches in the area and it sucked. So now the snow is going. I moved the CRV right there, moved it so we got a spot that is dry, that hasn't had any snow on it. I'm gonna build the garage right here. I'm gonna build a wood floor so I can pull in the CRV and maybe pull stuff out and pull it downhill when I pull the motor. So let's build this garage, Harbor Freight style. Alright guys, I am going to get all the parts. I'm going to start laying out the roof and start pulling the parts out of the car. Let's get a little time lapse going on here and see how hard or how long it will take to get this done. Hopefully not too bad. But here we go, let's do it. Alright, so far, fairly simple. I like that all of them are capped. That's a nice. They all fit in pretty good. A couple of them a little tougher with paint, but overall, it's not hard to put together. Alright guys, I'm doing this part. I'm putting feet on the tent. And then I can put it all together. And then, yeah, we're going to do that. Get these feet onto these poles. Those hoops onto these poles. And get it standing up. Oh yeah. Yeah, sun's going down. I don't know what's going on. Freaking wind's picking up. It's starting to freeze. I got the legs ready to go on. So windy. There's the house. Things are happening. We will have a garage soon. And we will get this sorted. Well, guys and girls, there's the structure. I still have to put the beams and pieces across the bottom to keep it all square. You know, throw the back on, throw over the top, and then I can put on the door. But as you can see, the sun is going down, and it got really windy, and it's getting really cold, and it's still muddy. So hopefully this will dry out. We can make a little floor here. Maybe come scrape the snow out of this area, so tomorrow I can dry in the sun. And hopefully tomorrow we can get up all the pieces together. And then we can start working on the old CRV. CRV! That needs to come out. That's next. This got to go. We gotta get this all taken care of so that we can rock and roll. Twin turret skis. I have a half-size radiator I'm hoping to use. We'll maybe do some cool front end stuff for the front mount, or we'll leave a super sleeper. You let me know what you want to see. Ah, freaking wind. So windy. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to this episode of Wide Open Throttle Garage. We'll see you next time. More to come. I'm hoping to start uploading a lot, and I'm hoping to upload almost daily once I get the builds going. So we'll see how that goes. We'll get things uploaded, and we'll keep going with the channel and the house. Boys and girls, there it is. It's dark. It's 32 degrees and dropping. Slightly windy. I have an engine stand in my car, a heater. I'm gonna go pull over the generator, hook that up, LED lights. We're gonna see if we get comfy in this thing. So this is awesome. Hopefully it works and makes it nice for us, and then we can have a place to work.